So now let's see how we can work around with channel mixer option inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around onto File and then go to Import right here, just like this. And now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go around and then import out an image right here. So let's just go around and import out this image. So now what I can do with this is I can utilize channel mixer to go around and change its color. So to do that, you need to go around onto the effects menu and then go around onto adjust right here, and here you can see that channel mixer is an option. So over here what you can do is you can simply go around, change around the red, let's say for example, and then it changes the red color of this particular image. Similarly, you can go around and change around the greens over here for this image as well, and change around the blues for this image as well, just like this, by clicking and dragging it out right here over there. So now channel mixer is RGB, so I can go ahead and choose CMYK colors as well and do the same for that right here, and then I can simply change around the color level right here to change the look of the image right here, like cyan, magenta, yellow and black right here, just like this. So apart from that, I can also go around and choose lab colors right here, just like this, and I can work around with the lightness as you can see, and I can work around with A and B right here to change around the brightness right here for this particular image. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with channel mixer inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.